Alright DIY enthusiasts, today I'm going to show you how to connect wires like a pro. Whether you're tackling a small home project or something more complex, mastering wire connections is a fundamental skill that will serve you well. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, this guide will help you make those wire connections safely and effectively. We'll cover everything from the basic tools you'll need to the step-by-step process of making a secure connection. First things first, safety is paramount. Before you even think about touching those wires, make sure you have the right safety gear. Always wear safety goggles, and make sure the power is off before you begin any electrical work. This is non-negotiable. Safety first, always. Double-check it with a voltage tester. This little device can save your life by ensuring there's no live current running through the wires you're about to work on. Got it? Great. Let's get started. Now that we've ensured our safety, we can move on to the actual process of connecting wires. Step 1. Strip the wire. This is a crucial step because it prepares the wire for a solid connection. You need a good pair of wire strippers for this. There are many types available, so choose one that feels comfortable in your hand and is appropriate for the wire gauge you're working with. Grab the wire about an inch from the end and pull. This will remove the insulation without damaging the wire itself. You'll want to expose about half an inch of the bare wire. This length is usually sufficient for most connections. Make sure not to nick the wire itself, it can weaken the connection. A clean strip ensures a strong and reliable connection. Now let's move on to twisting the wires together. This step is essential for creating a secure and stable connection. Hold the wires side by side and twist them clockwise. This direction is important because it ensures the wires stay together when you add the wire nut. This helps to create a secure connection. You can use pliers if you need a stronger twist. Pliers can give you that extra grip and ensure the wires are tightly wound together. Just make sure it's tight and neat. Next up, wire nuts. These little devices are crucial for capping off your wire connections. Choose a wire nut that fits snugly over your twisted wires. The right size will ensure a secure fit and prevent any loose connections. Place it over the ends and start twisting the nut onto the wires. Twist until you feel resistance, indicating that the wires are securely held. Keep twisting until the nut is firmly in place and you can't see any bare wire sticking out. This ensures that the connection is safe and secure. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's secure. If it holds, you're good to go. If not, you may need to retwist the wires and try again. For added safety, wrap the connection with electrical tape. This provides an extra layer of insulation. This provides extra insulation and keeps the wire nut in place. It's a simple step that adds a lot of security to your connection. Start about half an inch below the nut and wrap upwards, covering the entire nut and a bit of the wire. This ensures that the connection is fully insulated. This step is crucial to prevent any accidental short circuits. Finally, let's tidy up. A neat workspace is a safe workspace. Push the connected wires back into the electrical box carefully. Make sure they are arranged neatly to avoid any strain or damage. Make sure there's no strain on the wires. Strain can lead to loose connections or even breakage over time. Replace the cover plate and you're good to go. And that's it, folks. Wire connections made easy. With these steps, you can ensure a safe and effective electrical connection every time. Remember, take your time, follow these steps, and you'll be connecting wires safely and efficiently in no time. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to take on more projects as you gain confidence. Thanks for watching and happy DIYing. Stay safe and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done.